Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to software. Dear viewers, today we are going to start a new language which is called HTML language, and HTML as the backbone of web designing. So, in this tutorial, we will study the basic of HTML language. So, first of all, we need an ID where we will write code. So, there is a lot of ID commonly used in web designing. So the best one I'm using, that's Sublime Text. There's a lot of ideas such as Adobe Premiere, Notepad++, Sample Notepad, and many more. So I need to install the IDE name to Sublime Text. First of all, go to the website. Anyone? Right here, Sublime Text. So you can see this is the first one, Sublime Text download, the second one, Sublime Text 2 download, and a large of many websites. So click on first website. If you have 64-bit window, then click 64-bit and it will start downloading. After downloading, it will install it. So in my scenario, I have already installed. So I will write here Sublime Text and just click on open. So you can see here, this is the interface of Sublime Text. Here we will try to write code of HTML language, right? So first of all, we have only sample empty page. An HTML in the beginning, when we start code, we need to save this page with index.html name, right? So before saving, I wanna show you how can we write code in HTML. So in HTML language, there is a lot of tag. Tag is nothing but anything written, and this angle bracket is called tag, right? So the first tag we will use, that is HTML tag. That means that HTML has started from here. Remember, we start HTML at the beginning of the code and we will close it at the end of the code. So let's close it here. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. \HTML as the closing tag of HTML, and angle bracket HTML as starting. That means that the HTML start from here and close here. So inside HTML, we have a head. This is the head tag, and inside the head tag we have title tag, right? So you can write here the title name of your site. Suppose let's visit to the Google Chrome and new tab, open a new tab. Suppose Nadra. So you can see here, this is Nadra. Just open it. So you can see here Nadra Pakistan database. So it is the title of this website. So here we will type the title of this website, software hub, and also close title tag, and also close head tag, right? So if you are writing manually this software in process of for this purpose, we need to save first of all this page, Ctrl S, and select location desktop and give a name index.html. Remember, the extension must be .html because it will be not open in Google or any other browser if you don't have .html extension. So let's save it and let's go to check as it said. Yes, we have this index. So you can see here this index is very simple, right? Let's open it in Google. Right click on it, open it and click Google Chrome. So you can see here this is sample index.html. So once you can see here index.html, this application have saved the name.html, mean this page is already saved. Now if we write HTML and press enter, each and everything will be appear directly. So this is the head, you can delete it and you can write here the title, which is software hub. Control S and let's go to the page and refresh it. You can see here the title software hub. This is the title of the website that you're gonna develop. So this is the head text, and inside the head text we can use a lot of different scripting links, CSS links. If you are going to use external CSS, then for the linking purpose we need some links that the link will be insert here inside the head. So and also script of different language we can use it here inside the head tag, right? And also we can use the API link of different applications that you want to link with the website. You can insert your link inside the head. So our markup start from the body. Inside of body, when we write anything, this thing will appear in this page. So you can see the page is not so good, that's very simple and color right. So let's take a click here and give a space, write here BG color and enter. So if you wanna get simple background just like white, it's almost right, sorry, white. So let's write here green. Control S and then go to the page and refresh it. You can see how it is going, but it's not good looking. So go to the Google Chrome and open a new tab and write here HTML color codes. With HTML color code, so you can see these are the codes of different color. Let's suppose I'm going to add these color. So I will copy it and go to the editor, then I will paste it here. Control S, then go to the page and start HTML and refresh it. You can see it's changed. So the extra one delete it, right? Go to the editor, Control S, again go. Yes, that's almost done. If you need this one, so copy this code, go to the editor and paste it here. Control S and then go to the page and refresh. Almost done. Okay, fine. So this is the page color, right? Now we are going to write something on page that must be appear here on this page. So first of all, in HTML we have a heading that is start from H1, which is the largest heading, and end with H6, which is the smallest heading. So inside this, I write here welcome to web design. Right? Press Ctrl S from keyboard and go to the page and refresh it. Almost done. So it is in the left corner of the page. I wanna go to make it center. So go to the editor. Click here. Write here line equal to center. Ctrl S and then go to so If you want to change the color of the text, that's also very easy. So right here, tag name like target, that is color. So in this tag we have no color. So we will write here font tag, and inside font tag color is equal to white, and here close the font tag. And for this, and go to the page and enter. So your page, you can see. But sometimes you can see an any type of website. Here I go to animation. Text website. Not this is a simple HTML animation. So I'm gonna show you a website. Whenever you open any website and the website, you will see that these texts are moving here and here, just coming from up, down, right, left. So for this purpose, we are going to use here a tag which is multi tag. So let's use here multi, MAR-TOUW, multi. Alright, and give direction is equal to up. Alright, and close it here. Okay, almost fine. Control S and go to the page and inflation. You can see here. So the color is changed, which means that we have messed something. 2D font, white color. So let's here close it inside this. Put it into this. So almost fine. What's happened to the color? Don't worry about this. Yes. We have now for the text. So close it and go to the page and refresh. You can see. If you want to change its direction, so let's change direction from here. You can search left, Control S, go to the page and refresh it. You can see coming from left, right to left. Okay, fine. So it is simple. If you want to create background for this test, so it's also simple. So right here and mark inside the mark tag, right click here and BG. So we have click here and BG color is equal to. So let's support this code. Copy it, go to the editor, press here, Control S, and go to the page and refresh it. So you can see here. almost done. So now we have multiple headings. I want to go to touch this heading. So here always we discuss the heading 1. So that's heading 2, and also close heading 2, and also heading 3. Sorry, H3. Enter. Close it, and also H4. Close it, and also H5. Close it, right? And we have the last heading, which is H6, and which is the very small heading. Okay, fine. So right here, this is heading 2. Go to the next. Heading 3. Go to the next. Heading 4, and also go heading 5. And heading 6. Control S. We go to the page, and refresh it. You can see this is the media, this is the smaller, this is so smaller, so and the 6 is equal to the size of your header. So at very same. Let's do a paragraph inside the page. How will we include? So right here, paragraph. This paragraph. Okay, so enter and open the paragraph tab here. So close it here. We will write some text here. So go to the MS Word. Arrange and one paragraph quickly, then enter, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Close it and paste here. Right, Ctrl S and go to the page. Refresh it. You can see. But in the code we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 lines. Here at this page we have only 2 lengthy lines. To break the line, we have BR tag. So if you want to break the line here, so open here BR tag, close it here, and also here BR tag, close it here, and also create a BR tag, also close it. So similarly, here BR close. Ctrl S and go to the page, and you can see here. Now almost we have proper heading. So that is some basics thing of HTML. And next tutorial, inshallah, we will try to learn something new and this. So I think it is enough for today. Thank you for watching. If you are new, so subscribe our channel to get new updates related to web design. Thank you.